Hi, this is Charlie Savko with Cargus Systems. Today we're going to be taking a look at the standard purchase codes functionality in Business Central and how we can relate that to a vendor using recurring purchase lines. It's been a request from our customers migrating from QuickBooks and Dynamics GP that they are missing the ability to assign default GL accounts to a vendor. And using the standard purchase codes and recurring purchase lines, we can replicate that functionality pretty perfectly in Business Central. So I'm going to start by going into our lookup, and I'm going to search for standard purchase codes. I am using the sample data, so there are some pre-provided standard purchase codes, but I'm going to create a new one. And in this example, we're going to be creating a standard purchase code for our phone expense. In our type dropdown, we have all of the options that we're used to seeing on purchase order and purchase invoice entry. So in this case, I'm going to pick a GL account. I'm going to find our phone GL account. And I'll set this as a quantity to 1 since I'm recording the straight expense. In many cases with expenses, you are going to be charging to a department dimension or some other kind of dimension, and we can add that to our screen here using the personalization. And there's my department code. And for the department, I'll pick administration. So with our phone expense, we are defining that when we select this purchase code, we're going to select GL account 65700 and the admin department code. And now phone is in the standard purchase code list. I'm going to close out of there. I'm going to go into our vendors list. So now we need to relate the standard purchase code that we've created to a vendor. So I'm going to select a vendor. I'll pick the London Postmaster. And we do this in Navigate, Purchases, and Recurring Purchase Lines. So this vendor, through the sample data, already has 2 recurring purchase lines assigned. I'm going to also add our phone. So I add phone, and I'll set this to always ask so that I can pick between which set of purchase codes I want to pull in on a purchase invoice. So just like that, we can associate a standard purchase code with a vendor. Now I'm going to create a new purchase invoice. And when I tab off of the vendor name, Business Central prompts, recurring purchase lines exist for vendor 10,000. Do you want to insert them on this document? Yes. So I'll pick Get Recurring Lines, and I'm presented with a list of the recurring purchase lines that we've associated with the vendor. And I'll pick Phone. So it has pulled in our selections that we defined on the standard purchase code entry, GL account 65700, and the admin department code. This department code is not part of the standard grid. I added this previously through the personalization. And now I can specify our expense. So yes, while Business Central does not have the ability to define a standard GL account on the vendor card like other systems do, we can use the standard purchase codes with recurring purchase lines to do that exact same thing. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.